In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to use GrammarSense 2 and GrammarSense 3. To get started, navigate to the icons for GrammarSense 2 and 3. GrammarSense 2 is purple, GrammarSense 3 is orange. Simply double-click to launch the program. Which level of GrammarSense you choose is dependent upon your level, so please ask your professor before proceeding. When you first log into GrammarSense 2 or 3, you will be taken to the Login menu. You will need to either type your name or choose your name from the list. You'll want to start at the Practice Zone. Here you're at the main menu inside the Practice Zone. You will need to complete whatever homework or lab work your professor has assigned. Let's say your professor assigned Chapter 1, the Simple Present. Click, and you will be taken to the Simple Present's main menu. Notice that you have exercises, a test, and a game. Typically, professors only assign exercises and the test, but check with your professor before you begin. Let's start. There are many different types of exercises within each chapter. For instance, here you must click on 8 examples of the Simple Present. As you start to click, your score will populate here as soon as you click Check Answers. Once again, if you want your score to populate and you're finished, click Check Answers. You can click Check Answers for every single exercise. For this exercise, you will need either to turn on your speakers or to use headphones, as there is audio. Anytime there's audio for an exercise, you will see a speaker. Here, you will need to type in the forms of the Simple Present. Here you will need to drag and drop. And finally here you will need to make a set of words showing the Simple Present. When you're finished, make sure you click Check Answers. All your scores will come here into Score Report. Your first score will be recorded as well as your most recent score, meaning that you can try these exercises more than once. When you're finished, hit Print. Make sure you get your paper stamped by a lab staff member. Let's look at the test. In order to begin, click Start Test. The test will have multiple questions and multiple pages. When you are finished, you will need to click Check Test. Please note, if you cannot click Check Test or it's not lit up, this means you have not finished all questions. Once again, if you cannot click this means you are not done, so go back and double check your work. You're probably missing something. When you're finished, go Score Report, and once again, you can hit Print. If you have any questions, call 407-582-2098 or stop by the EAP lab. We're in Building 4, Room 105.